This got me thinking, what do students think of college or university teachers? What do they think they actually do? And what is college or university to them?
I don't. Wait, what was the question again?
More chill.
Yeah, a lot more relaxed. Yeah, it's a much more relaxed environment, and you also get treated much more like an adult.
And have more personal relationships than with school teachers. I guess because they have like more.
Go on. There you go.
Okay.
You're so polite to each other.
It's mostly because it. Not only do you then receive the help you might want / need, but it also just allows for like more time spent individually, so you actually form some form of relationship.
It goes dead quiet.
As opposed to, oh, you know, I'll help you for 2 minutes, I'll help you for 2 minutes, I'll help you for 2 minutes, and then I'll speak to the class as a whole.
With college teachers, you can relate to them on an equal level with primary and secondary school teachers. Not so much. You have to call them sir, you have to call them miss, and all that sort of stuff. There is still a hierarchy there, obviously. You still need to do as you're told, obviously, but you can talk to them as if they're normal people, and that's what I appreciate.
They're a bit more laid back than school.
They're very fun.
Yeah, they're a bit easier than
Yeah.
what we expect at the beginning.
It's more
At least
chill.
for me, I don't know.
More relaxed environment.
more relaxing.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is a student right here. I love it. Genuinely love it. It's so good. It's even what's that, a muffin? That's brilliant. And tissues.
Some ill.
She's that ill. I'm making her do a interview while ill.
Like inspiration sometimes. No, because like I've
What?
known you for so long. It's like I've known you for like 5 years by end of uni. So it's like kind of like friends now. But see you, I don't know.
I know what you mean.
Like
Making this more difficult.
like when I go into uni, I'll tell you like how my week's been and what I've been doing and anything exciting that's happening.
Yeah, like scaring kids.
Yeah, like scaring kids and being scared. And all the band things that I go to,
Yeah.
band merch. It's like when you know someone for so long, they do become a part of your life.
Oh, that's lovely. Oh, Chloe.
A lot better, because my school experience, like the teachers they were quite strange, I'd say. Yeah, they were quite strange teachers.
Way more chilled out than school teachers, because school teachers are always on your back about how important it is to pass everything. And whereas college tutors, they're like, right, as long as you do your best, you'll be fine. And then and they joke about, and it's quite nice. I think college is great because it's somewhere to go and make new friends and, alongside of learning, just socialising with people, and it's just right nice.
Can I look at this?
Oh yeah, you can see your own face.
Yeah. College teachers can be a little bit more relaxed because like we can call you by your name instead of like being Mr. Booth.
Well, a teacher, college-wise, instead of telling you exactly what to do, they give you the tools in what to do. So they give you what you need, and then it's up to you to use those tools in the right, efficient way.
College teachers are better than teachers you'd find at a school because they actually try their best to help you when they can, and they seem to care more.
Well, I feel like in school it's a bit more, well, they're a bit more strict on certain things, like, and plus they teach you all sorts of different stuff. And I passed all my English and maths in college, which I didn't in school, just because I found the teaching a lot more better and easier in college. I feel like college teachers are more relaxed and they just sort of like tell you exactly what you need to do.
School teachers are mean and college teachers are relaxed and nice.
Less me.
Yeah.
Go on.
Like with homework, they'll be like, you need to get this done by a certain day. And they'll keep being like, have you done it yet? Have you done it yet? No, I haven't done it yet.
Whereas
But
college...
college is like, yeah, you have a deadline, but it feels more relaxed.
Do you think that's trusting the student to do what they need to do?
Yeah, because it's your responsibility instead of the school being like, you've got to do it because if you don't, we're gonna look bad.
Cool.
Just seem like normal people. Like, you seem like normal people, whereas in school, the teachers, if you see them outside of school, it's like, why are they outside of school? You're like normal, real people.
I don't know about that.
It was lovely. I like them, they're cool. Yeah, they got a lot of experience. So you know who to ask and what to ask from them, and that it's what they're giving you is a valid answer that will actually help you in production or pre-production or however you're going to go in with life and further into whatever career you're wanting to go to.
They are very helpful, so we'll learn skills.
Yeah, they're a lot more one-on-one than compared to like my teachers at school. They weren't really one-on-one really. They're more like humans than school teachers to me. Being enjoyable and I've gained a lot of confidence from it as a person. A lot more outgoing than I used to be. Oh yeah, I find it a lot easier to make friends here than
Yeah, I think the same for me
ever did
too.
at school.
We got Star Wars on.
I hate it. No, I've liked all my teachers.
I thought you like tormenting your teachers.
No, I've liked all my teachers.
Yeah, same. Much better than school.
Yeah.
They're much more like just people rather than...
I feel like the cheering's really... Just push the PS button.
Yeah, teachers are much better at college and uni because they're just more like... They're just people. They're more like friends really than higher up people. They're easier to talk to and things.
Don't have to call him sir.
Yeah.
Or miss.
Mister? Can I go to the toilet, mister?
Sir, I'm busted. Like, if you didn't show up to sixth form, you'd get in a lot of trouble. Whereas, you know, college was a lot more understanding of if you couldn't show up on a day, kind of thing, for example. Stephen's bald.
Apart from when they leave. It's kind of hurtful. It makes us sad.
Well, they're better than school, because in school we only teach like the basics, but in college you teach them more harder stuff to make it easy for university.
Wait, what? How does it go? I mean, does it see that? Oh. Good until they leave us.
I'm putting that in. I am so putting that in.
They're like our friends.
Oh, that's funny.
Very helpful. They're not like figures of authority, they're like friends that are here to help you.
So from listening to the students, to me a college environment is totally different to school. It's a place for students to be who they are and somewhere to learn as themselves. It also seems to be that college tutors are much more chill than school teachers, whether that's true or not. On the surface, I'd say we are. We engage with students on a more personal level, we create stronger relationships with them, and I believe that gets us more from our students. However, the image of chilled is kind of like a swan. We're calm on top, but underneath we're paddling like mad to make sure everything works and we can do the best for the students and keep up with the workload. Fundamentally, we will try and inspire and push our students to make them achieve what they are capable of and what they can. The work is on them, but we will make sure that they have every chance with us. In part 3, I want to get a different perspective on why students study with us and show the diversity of all our students by talking to Sarah. And I also want to find out what they actually think we do as tutors.